The traditional desk model is likely why your recruiting business is not hitting your projected growth goals, likely why you're not able to capitalize on this hot market that we're in right now. The days of making countless outbound calls, let's be honest, it's just not as effective as it used to be anymore. You and your team are probably likely working harder to generate the same results as you used to do in the past. Now, I want you to imagine instead of you and your team waking up to a packed calendar of both clients and candidates that actually want to be on the phone with you. Now, my name is Donnie Gupton. I'm the creator of the Relevant Recruiter Method, and I've helped hundreds of recruiting and search firms implement an automated lead generation system that attracts clients and candidates to them when they want. And in this quick video, I'm going to unpack the 4 foundational elements of an effective automated lead generation system. So let's dive in. Come meet me on the other side.
So the first key foundation to having an effective automated lead generation system is having the ability to stand out. Look, most recruiting firms struggle with differentiating themselves from the competition. And if you can't differentiate yourself from the competition and you look the same and act the same as the next recruiting firm, by definition, you're a commodity. And when you're a commodity, oftentimes you're left competing on price. But when you know how to differentiate yourself and stand out in the marketplace, you get more exclusive retained opportunities and you increase the response rates from your prospects. Now, the next step and the next key foundation of an effective automated lead generation system is having the ability to leverage your desk. Look, this industry has always been set up on the hustle, one-to-one outreach mode. And by being able to shift from one-to-one approach to a one-to-many approach would be a game changer for you. And this will allow your recruiting team and business developers to actually go out and reach the market faster than what we can do manually. And it's very important that you have something in place that's growing your network every single day, starting new conversations. And one of the fastest things and one of the easiest ways to leverage your desk is to learning how to automate LinkedIn and automate email systems so that your team can be more productive and more efficient throughout the day. Now, the third key foundation is being able to have a content conversion system, having the ability to create content that converts. You know, another one of the things that's kind of challenging in this industry is everything has been outbound. So if all your efforts are outbound, then guess what? You're just a part of the noise in your hiring managers and your candidates' inboxes, email boxes, voicemail boxes. And what you want to be able to do is you want to be able to create content that establishes you in authority, become a value-based person in the marketplace. And what happens when you do that is you get people booking on your calendar. We call it an inbound lead. And when you get inbound leads, it's a completely game changer because it allows you to control the conversation, allows you to be the authority on the call. It allows you to get all the details on your clients and candidates without just being another order taker out there. Now, the last key foundation to having an effective automated lead generation system is having the ability to follow up on multiple channels. We are competing now for people's attention. We're not just competing against our other fellow recruiting agencies out there. We're competing for attention. We are in the busiest time of our lives and people's attention spans are constantly shrinking. We see anywhere between 6,000 and 10,000 ads per day. That has nothing even to do with what people are experiencing in their inboxes in what hiring managers and candidates are seeing right now from recruiters and outreach. So if all you're doing is one approach and one platform, chances are you're not capitalizing on this. So you want to be able to follow up on multiple channels: phone, email, text, social media. And when you do it properly, you become the most top of mind choice and you cut through the noise so that you make sure that you can really maximize your revenue goals. Now, knowing these 4 key foundations is a great first step, but it's not going to do you any good without any action behind it. So if you're really ready to truly innovate your recruiting business and innovate your desk and become the authority in the market, here's what I have for you. I'm hosting a free training where I'm going to show you exactly what's working for my clients right now, how they're hitting consistent 50K revenue months without cold calling, networking, or wasting time just relying on referrals. And if you want a sneak peek of what's working right now for some of the most highly paid, successful recruiting agencies in the industry, click wherever the link is and get access to this training right now so you can dive in. Now, if you implement what you learn on this workshop, you're going to be able to increase your response rates. You're going to be able to cut through the noise. You're going to be able to hit your revenue goals. You're going to be able to reach your market faster and ultimately increase the productivity of your desk and be completely viewed as the authority of your market. So if this is you, click that link wherever it is Okay. It's somewhere around here. Click that link, get access to this training. Now, this training is about giving you the exact roadmap that my clients are using to become the authority in the market, innovate their desk, and hit those consistent revenue months. So this is proven. All you need to do is watch this training and start taking action. Now, if that's you and you finally want to really truly innovate your desk and innovate your recruiting business, and you want the respect that you deserve in the market, you want better clients, you want faster responses from candidates, you want to charge higher fees, and you want to start getting the results that you deserve, click the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.